Let's look at this problem. For which of the following integers b is the base b number 2021 base b minus 221 base b, not divisible by 3? Therefore, we want to find the choices of b such that this 2021b minus 221b cannot be divided by 3. Alright, this problem is about some different base. So the numbers we normally use are base 10. So we know that for a random number, let's say 732, right? So this number basically equals 7 times 10 to 2 plus 3 times 10 to 1 plus 2. And similarly, for a different base, for example, this b is greater than 7, right? Otherwise, you should not see 7 because it will move to the next digit. So this shall equal 7 times b to 2 plus 3 times b to 1 plus 2. Here b is greater than 7. So this is what this notation is about. And the right hand side is the equivalent value in 10 base expression. Good. Given that, we know that when we take a difference of these two, since their 1th digit and the 10th digit are the same, so certainly they cancels out. Therefore, this expression just equals 2000b minus 200b. Of course, that's not 200. We just borrowed the terminology from the base 10 expression. Alright, now we can eliminate two choices right away, A and C. How is that? This is because the 1st digit or the unit digits of both numbers are 0. So this basically means 2 times b to 3 minus 2 times b to 2. If this b can be divided by 3, then the whole expression is divisible by 3, right? Therefore, A and C are out. Now let's look at the choice B. When b equals 4. So now let's write out this subtraction. So 2000 base b minus 200 base b, right? This is subtraction. So the 1st digit is 0, 10th digit is 0, and this 100 digit. Remember, that's not the actual 100. I just borrowed the terminology. So we need to borrow a digit from the next one, right? Then how much is that digit? Since we are in base 4, so the one we borrowed is actually 4. Therefore, 4 minus 2, that's 2. And then we have 1. And this is in base B. So what does that mean? What is the actual value in base 10? So that is, I write it here. That is 1 times 4 to 3 plus 2 times 4 to 2, right? Let's factor out this 4 to 2, 4 square. And then we have 4 plus 2. Aha, this is 6, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, this is not our choice. Base B, or the choice B, is out. Now let's check b equals 7. That's choice C. Then we do the same thing. 2000 base b, which is base 7, minus 200 base 7. So this is 0, 0 for the tens and the ones. And for the hundreds, we need to borrow 1. And this 1 is actually 7, right? So 7 minus 2, that's 5. And we have 1. And then what is this quantity in base b? So that is 1 times 7 to 3, 7 cubed, plus 5 times 7 squared. And that equals 7 squared, we factor that out, times 7 plus 5. This is 12. Therefore, the whole expression is divisible by 3. So D is out. Therefore, our choice is E. But in order to make this analysis complete, so let's still check it out. So when B equals 8, we have 2000 in base 8 minus 200 in base 8 as well. And take the subtraction. That's 0, 0, and then we borrow 1, which is 8. So 8 minus 2, that's 6. Then we have 1. So this is in base 8. And in base 10 will be 1 times 8 cubed plus 6 times 8 squared. And we factor out the 8 squared. That's 8 plus 6. So that is 8 squared times 14. None of these have a factor of 3. Therefore, it's not divisible by 3. So E is our choice. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, please leave a comment.